In this video, I'll show you a little bit about cutting strips. So we go to the template button on the left-hand side. We go to patterns and strips. So within here is a little dialog box. So what we do here is the length of the strip. So it could be 300 for argument's sake, how long you want the strip, and the width of the strip here. So they might be 20 mil. So working a little bit backwards, but number of strips here. If you only need a certain amount of strips, you can type in that you only need 5. Otherwise, what it will do is, depending on the size of the mat board that you've typed in, what it will do is it will give you as many as possible. So we might just say that we need 5 strips. Now, if we're cutting this out of foam board, the strips out of foam board, we need to change the head type. So over here, we can say that it will be the Evo head. I've got so that it will cut a straight cut. Don't worry about alternate tool or changing this one. This is for having one as a bevel and one as a straight. So once that's done, press OK. And using my auto sizing button, it'll auto size the mat, ready to cut. At the moment, I've got my board is set at large. It's a little bit of wastage around the edge, so what I'll do is I'll just make them all 30, and I will auto size that again. So it tells me how big of a mat board I need to put in to get the strips I request.